Hey there, future startup legends. Welcome back to Startup Growth Hub, the place where big ideas meet actionable strategies. I am Startup Coach Manoj, and today we are diving into something crucial: how to craft a pitch that grabs investors' attention and gets them saying, "Take my money." Pitching to investors can feel intimidating, right? But trust me, it doesn't have to be. With these 10 insider tips straight from the minds of top investors, you will walk into your next pitch meeting with confidence. Ready to learn how to own the room? Let's get started. Know your investor. First thing first, know who you are pitching to. Investors are not a monolith, they each have their own interests and preferences. Take some time to research them. What industries are they passionate about? Have they invested in companies similar to yours? For example, if your investor loves tech, make sure you are emphasizing your innovation. It's like going on a first date. You want to impress, but you also want to show that you understand them. Trust me, tailoring your pitch to the investor goes a long way. Then craft a killer opening. Okay, let's talk about your opening. You have got 30 seconds. Yes, just 30 to hook them. So make it count. Start with something that grabs their attention. Maybe it is a powerful story, a shocking statistics, or a provocating question. For instance, imagine starting with, "Did you know that 70% of small businesses fail because of cash inflow issues? We have got a solution to fix that." Boom! Now they are listening. Remember, first impressions are everything. Highlight the problem you are solving. Here is the thing: investors are not just throwing money at ideas. They are investing in solutions to real problems. So ask yourself, what problems are you solving and why does it matter? Say you are tackling outdated payment systems. You could frame it like this: small businesses lose billions every year because their payment systems can't keep up. Our platform is designed to save them time and money. Be specific, make the problem feel urgent, and show them why your solution is the answer. Then showcase your unique value proposition, UVP. This is where you shine. What makes you different? What's your secret sauce? Investors hear pitches all the time, so you need to stand out. For example, you might say, "Unlike other platforms, we use AI to predict and prevent fraud, offering unmatched security." See what I did here? Simple, clear, and it sets you apart from the competition. Your UVP is your golden ticket, so make it count. Keep the pitch deck simple and visual. The pitch deck, the bread and butter of any presentation. Here is a rule: less is more. Nobody wants to sit through 50 slides packed with tiny text. Stick to the essentials: problem, solution, market opportunity, business model, financials, and your ask. Use clean visuals, bold headlines, and graphs to tell your story. Think of it like a movie trailer: short, exciting, and leaves them wanting more. Now, demonstrate traction. Traction is what separates dreamers from doers. Show them you are not just talking, you are delivering. Got revenue? Highlight it. Have you hit 1,000 users in 3 months? Share that. If you are just starting, talk about your milestones like launching your prototype or completing beta testing. Numbers speak louder than words, so let your metrics do the talking. Present a scalable business model is next. Scalability, now that's music to the investors' ear. They want to know that your business can grow exponentially. For instance, you could say our subscription model allows us to scale quickly with minimal additional cost as we grow our user base. Lay it out clearly. Show them that with their funding, you are ready to take over the world or at least your market. 8. Know your financials inside out. Let's get real. Nothing kills a pitch faster than fumbling over your financials. You need to know your numbers like the back of your hand. Be ready to discuss revenue streams, profit margins, and funding requirements also. For example, we are seeking $500,000, which will give us 18 months of runway to scale operations and expand our marketing. Speak confidently. It shows you are serious about managing their money. 9. Address risks and also how you will manage them. No business is risk-free, and pretending otherwise won't fool anyone. Investors appreciate honesty. For example, a potential challenge is customer acquisition cost. But we have partnered with platforms to keep cost low through affiliate marketing. Acknowledging risks and showing how you will tackle them builds trust. It says, I have thought this through. End with a memorable call to action. Finally, end with a bang. Recap your vision, remind them of your impact, and invite them to join your journey. For instance, we are not just building a product, we are transforming how small businesses operate. Join us in revolutionizing this industry. We are seeking $500,000. Let's make it happen together. Leave them inspired and ready to act. Feeling more confident about pitching? Great. But don't stop here. I have got a free course that is packed with everything you need to succeed. Webinars, one-on-one coaching, live workshops, and a supportive community. Click the link in the bio to join. Let's take your startup to the next level together. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Startup Growth Hub. Together, we will turn your startup dreams into reality. See you in the next video.